In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is WooCommerce HPOS and how to enable it. WooCommerce HPOS, which stands for High Performance Order Storage, is a newer way for WooCommerce to store order data more efficiently. In simple terms, it can help improve performance, especially for stores with a large number of orders. But before turning it on, it's important to make the transition carefully so your store continues running smoothly. The first thing you should do is create a full backup of your site and confirm that your theme, plugins, and any WooCommerce extensions you rely on are compatible with HPOS. This is an important safety step because order data is one of the most sensitive parts of an online store. Having a backup gives you a recovery option if anything doesn't work as expected. Once that's done, go to your WordPress dashboard and open WooCommerce, then Settings, then Advanced, and then Features. This is where WooCommerce gives you access to the HPOS related options. Here, enable the setting called Compatibility Mode, which synchronizes orders to the post table. This step is helpful because it allows WooCommerce to maintain compatibility while preparing your store for the new order storage system. If your store uses extensions that still expect the older structure, this mode can help everything keep working during the transition. After checking that box, save your changes. When you do this, WooCommerce will begin syncing your existing order data to the new HPOS structure in the background. Depending on the size of your store, this may take a little time, so there's no need to rush the next step. Now wait for the synchronization process to finish. If you want to monitor progress, go to WooCommerce, then Status, and then Scheduled Actions. This area lets you see whether the background tasks are still running or if the sync has completed. It's a good idea to let the process fully finish before moving forward. Once everything is synced, the order data storage option will become available. Change that setting to high performance order storage and then save again. This is the moment when your store officially starts using HPOS as its primary order storage system. To finalize the transition, keep your store in compatibility mode for a few days while testing key functions, especially checkout and order processing. This gives you time to make sure everything behaves normally. If orders are processing correctly and your plugins are working as expected, you can return to the same settings area and uncheck compatibility mode to complete the switch. That's it. You've now enabled WooCommerce HPOS in a safe and practical way.